This little bear got so chubby from eating all the time, and I thought I needed to make him slim. Then I saw the little dog and the pig, and they were chubby too, so I tried to make all of them skinny. But then someone stopped me and said, "Wait, there's no need to make them slim. These cute big bellies are actually super fun to press. They're special tummy stickers that you can stick on your phone, glass, or anywhere you want. They look adorable and feel so satisfying when you press them. Wow, they're so much fun. If you want these cute stickers too, don't forget to like and subscribe.